Guess which celebrity look I just recreated. Look how gorgeous she is looking. I just couldn't stop myself to recreate this look of our Miss Queen Zendaya from her SAG Awards. I don't know if it's like closest to what she looks like. I'm not even kidding. It just took me less than 15 minutes to recreate this look. Now let's create this beautiful look together. So moving on, I've already used the moisturizer and everything on my face. Now for the primer, I'm gonna be using this Rare Beauty primer that I got from Sephora. This primer literally fills all the pores that you have. Now for the foundation, I'm gonna use this Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. This is the best foundation. It is so lightweight, but at the same time it gives you that full coverage. In this makeup, she has that bright under eye, so for that I'm gonna be using Urban Decay Quickie Concealer, 2-3 shades lighter than my actual foundation shade, and I'm just gonna blend it with the help of Beauty Blender. With the contour, she already had that perfect sharp jawline and her face is literally snatched, but I don't have that, so I'm gonna be using this Nude Stick contour stick in shade Manila. Okay, if you love to contour but are scared of the cream contour, like whatever the shit, get this one because this is super beginner friendly. It literally melts like butter. Look at that. I literally can't stress how easily it blends. Now let's make this under eye a little bit more brighter. For that, I'm gonna be using this Jaclyn Hill Pink Brightening Powder. This is my absolute favorite. Whenever I use under eye brightening powder, I love to use Puff. It just makes everything so good. And make sure to blend your under eye with the Beauty Blender before going in with the powder to avoid any creases. I mean, look at that. And now for the blush, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this from Sephora, and I'm just gonna use on my higher cheekbones. I just love this color so much when it comes to blush. Like, you guys have probably seen me using it for like 100,000 times. Adding blush to my makeup literally feels like bringing back date to life. It just gives you that light. And now for the highlighter, I'm gonna be using this pink highlighter from Stellar Beauty, just a little bit on my cheekbone like that. Now for the eyebrows, I'm just gonna add a brow tint from Charlotte Tilbury. I just went ahead and made my eyebrows sharp and well defined with the help of concealer. And for the eyeshadow, I don't see like dramatic colors on her eyes except for the lilac purplish color. So for that, I'm gonna be using this blush from Sephora again, and simply I'm gonna just use it all over my lid. It is easy. I just threw the shade literally everywhere, so it's not too hard. Do the same thing on my lower lash line. And now for the mascara, I'm gonna use Too Faced Better Than Sex. It just gives you that beautiful volume and separates your lashes really well. I think the top lash was really easy, but I'm scared of the bottom lashes because if you can see that she have that, I think with the help of tweezer or something, like separate 5 lashes, thicker one like a Barbie doll. So I'm gonna do that with the help of tweezer. Like, get the products with the tweezer. Wait, first I'm gonna just like simply use it like that. Now let's separate. So 4, 3 to go. I plucked my lashes out. Oh my god. Okay, we're doing pretty good. Look at that difference. It's giving Barbie. It's giving every freaking doll. Now all I need to do is add a lash, and I think I might have the perfect lash for that. None other than this from Velour, my favorite lashes in whole entire freaking world. And this is in style Soulmate. This is their Effortless collection. This is the lashes. I'm gonna give you a close look. I mean, look at that. Look at that. I was so right with the lash because she just have a little bit volume on her end. And for the eyes, she has that white bright inner corner, so for that I'm gonna be using this Rare Beauty highlighter in shade Accelerate. And I feel like that's pretty much it for the eye. And now for the lip, I'm gonna go ahead and add this lip liner from ColourPop Cosmetics in shade BFF3. For the poutiness, simply make a V here, follow your natural lip line just like that. No, I cannot deal with this. I simply cannot deal with the runny nose at the moment. I don't want to ruin my makeup. Now for that glossy lip, I'm going to be using this True Gloss from M Cosmetics in Secret Blush. Why do I feel like this lip is literally the closest to hers? And that's it for the look, you guys. Now I'm gonna go do my hair and then be back. I seriously can't afford to chop my hair that low, so I had to do my hair like this. And I hope you enjoyed this look, and also please do let me know how successful I was to recreate this look from 1 to 10 in the comment section below. And also to let me know which celebrity look that I should recreate next.